I'm going to be showing you guys how to get and ride an airplane. So first, you want to go, you'll spawn in, you don't know where to go, you want to turn to your right, come over here, see this, it's free, you'll click spawn, click A to respawn if you crash, you jump in, where is my boundary? Oh, what the frick? Yo, what? Yep, you're spawning, you want to left trigger, right trigger, dude, you can either, you can use your right joystick, like hold it down, go up, yep, and you can use it to turn as well. See, you can like avoid crashes and stuff. What the hell? What happened? I did lose my airplane. I did go missing. Let's start it again. And you get in. Yep, like that. R2. There's also a quest to land on the rooftop, which is really hard. Well, not that hard, but yeah. You can go down and go. Pretty fun, actually. Do you want to land? Do you want to stop using this? You just want to like turn. That was a perfect landing. And if you do want to go back up, you can just fly. Oh no. Yes, okay, we can just turn with our left joystick. If you do want to hit the balloons, you want to smack them to pop them. So you want to go. Bang! Yep. You need to get 100 green balloons. If you do crash like I did and your airplane's stuck, you don't know how, like you don't push it over. There's a button below B, you want to click it. Wait a bit. Click it. Just click it multiple times if it doesn't work. Yep, and it'll spawn. Click B once you see the mount. Oh yeah, yes, you can ride it without being in it. Yes, it is hard to do that. Come back in. You wanna go fast? So it will slowly take you up. We'll try to pop a red balloon since we already popped a green one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, I missed. Okay, let's go to get another red balloon like this one. Oh, missed that one. What? Oh, we crashed. We can spawn it. Obviously. There it is. Click B. Oh, B. Fast. Okay. Yes, crashing is very common, so don't like stress out and stuff over that. Like, not much players know how to drive these, so that's all you guys gotta know. So the trigger goes forward, your joystick goes up. Like you don't want to yank it up as soon as you start driving. You want to. So I'll show you. So come on, quickly. You want to go like in a straight line right here. You want to go fast, slowly pull it up, and you'll go up. As you can see. Yes, I don't know why he crashed so easily, but that's like, thank you guys for staying to the end. It meant a lot for you, oh my god. It meant a lot to me because you guys stayed to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. That's the tutorial on how to fly an airplane. Oh my god. Okay, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.